The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
The statistics are not encouraging for Georgia's economy. In 6 months, more people died in Georgia than were born. A relatively better piece of news for the country is that during this period, 9,925 marriages and 6,456 divorces were registered. In the second quarter of 2025, the volume of foreign direct investment in Georgia amounted $580 million, which is 12% less compared to the same period of the previous year. At its meeting on September 10, 2025, the Monetary Policy Committee of the National Bank of Georgia decided to keep the monetary policy rate unchanged. The refinancing rate remains at 8%. As part of the 2025 harvest campaign, the government expects a grape harvest of 250,000 tons this year. According to the Prime Minister, the state-owned company Harvest Management Company will purchase Saperavi grapes harvested in the Kakheti region for $1.50 per kilogram, Archi and other wine varieties at $1.20 and substandard or damaged grapes at $1. A total of 50 million Georgian lari will be allocated from the state budget for this program to the particular state-owned company. IDS Borjomi, Georgia officially opened a new bottling plant equipped with modern technologies in the 135th year of Borjomi mineral water production. The total investment in the project amounts $120 million. Archi, the largest development company in Georgia and the region, is launching the most large-scale project in the capital's history, Grand Avenue by Archi. The project will attract over $1 billion in investment. 75% of the complex area will be dedicated to greenery and recreation. One of the company's founders and managing partners, Ilya Tsulaya, announced the project presentation and the start of the sales for September 20th. Petrocas Energy Group, one of the leading integrated energy distribution companies in the Caspian and Black Sea regions, announced significant changes in its shareholder structure. As a result of a deal concluded on April 25, 2025, the existing shareholders fully bought out Mr. David Yakubashvili's stakes in Petrocas. Last week, investigative services of Georgia arrested the owner of a bread factory for stealing natural gas worth 4.3 million Georgian lari. He had operated the bread factory in the Shida-Kartli region for years, supplying the local population with baked goods. On the factory's premises, he had also illegally set up a makeshift auto gas station where dozens of vehicles were refueled daily. Also last week, the accountant of the Sixth Author School was arrested. According to the investigator's office, the accountant transferred 2,100,000 lari from the school's account and lost part of it in gambling. The school, however, stated the school is fully equipped with all necessary resources to ensure the uninterrupted and high-quality continuation of the learning process. We will continue classes as usual with exciting news and new projects upcoming. The Prosecutor Office of Georgia has charged former Defense Minister Juansher Burchuladze with abuse of official authority by a high-ranking political officeholder and with money laundering. The bank accounts of businessman Georgi Bachiashvili's parents have been frozen. The prosecutor office announced, based on a court order, the accounts and assets acquired by Georgi Bachiashvili during and after the commission of criminal acts were seized. Georgi Bachiashvili's trial is scheduled for September 22nd. At the end of the month, another trial of a former senior official will take place. The court hearing of former Deputy Minister of Economy Romeo Mikautadze is scheduled for September 30th. As his lawyer Beka Nemtsitsveridze told BMG, they had appealed the decision to keep him in custody at the Court of Appeals, but the court did not admit the case for review.
The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.